Welcome to M365 Professional Videos. If you're into use Microsoft 365 productivity app, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into what's new in tasks and teams, where you'll learn key benefit. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. What's new in tasks and teams? Inside of Teams, the Tasks app is the single best place to see and manage all your work across M365. We've added several new capabilities to help drive even more personal and collaborative productivity. Why activity? Within shared plans, you can now set recurring tasks for work that happens on a set schedule. You can see a repeat indicator on the task, and when you complete the task, the next scheduled task will get created automatically for each task. You'll be able to add notes with rich content like bold and italic fonts to convey more information to your teammates. The emails you flag in Outlook are also available in the Tasks app, enabling you to set due dates and track them alongside all of your other personal and shared work in M365. Additionally, you could directly open these emails and Outlook to get the context you need. When you visit the Assigned to Me list, you can see all the work on your plate across M365 from Planner to Do Loop and Teams meetings. We're also going to show your tasks from Project 2, including the ability to open the project associated to the task to help you get organized and focused on the most important tasks first. You can use My Day to easily track the top tasks you need to get done first. Organize your day by adding tasks to My Day and check things off as they get done. Along with all of these new tasking features, we made some additional performance improvements in the app so it opens and loads faster, saving you time and getting you to where you want quickly. Thank you for using Tasks and Teams, and we hope these new capabilities accelerate your productivity journey. The latest enhancements in Tasks and Teams make it a more powerful tool for productivity and collaboration. With AI-powered automation, improved delegation, advanced reporting, and better external collaboration, Microsoft Teams continues to evolve as an essential platform for task management. Organizations can leverage these features to streamline workflows, improve accountability, and enhance team efficiency. Stay updated with Microsoft's continuous improvements to maximize your productivity with Tasks and Teams.